This thing's been sitting on the dock for months.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go blow something up. What will it be? Sorry, that was so annoying.
You're so weird.
Okay, do it again. Do it
No,
again.
no, that's fine. Let's go.
It's finally happening.
We should tell those guys we're gonna go blow it up.
Are they at the end of the dock?
A little kid might find it fun.
This thing's been sitting on the dock for months. So it'll be a momentous occasion. It's gonna be a lot to get rid of this once it's open.
I think we can open
Here
it.
comes the audience. Are you sure? So this one's the, what is it? Oh yeah. The next inspection was due November 93. Date of manufacture was 75. April of 75. So how many years old is that? 75
Many.
is 25, 35 plus
Hi, Sandra.
38. Hello!
I think you just pull it, right?
I don't know, I've never seen anything like it.
Why am I so scared?
I know. Do you just do it? Are you sure that's what
I
you do?
don't know.
How long is the cord? It's gotta float away.
What the heck?
You're gonna end up in the water. Oh, watch out! Whoa! Yeah! That's crazy. Wow. So it would have worked. Is it a hole or what is that?
I don't know.
Costly, huh?
Yeah.
But look at what you got. I can see why it costs so much.
Yeah, that's true. Well, it's
The new
something
ones
you,
are probably even nicer.
you pay a lot more,
Shaving
a lot
cream.
for
So
it.
that's, yeah, your first aid.
I'm gonna be able to use some of this
I hope so.
flashlight.
Oh, nice. That'd probably be smart. Fishing line.
Okay. Matches. Repair kits.
Stress, a lot of stress stuff. There's your batteries for your flashlight.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there you go. Wow, those are big.
All rusted. Yeah.
Yeah.
No food.
Well, like, thought there was supposed to be. There's more in there. There's a whole other pack.
Water be.
Can I get it? There's a
Yeah,
There's
sure.
a whole other pack, right? That's probably the food pack.
Yeah.
That one's
There's
bigger too.
rope. We're all doing.
Well, that's special one.
Completely
This is
flat.
really-
Is it heavy?
Heavy.
Need some help?
There's like a little
Oh my
capture
goodness.
It's
boat.
water, probably.
It is heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess water would have to be in there too.
Water is heavy.
Cool.
Yeah, there's your food.
Isn't that crazy? That's
This is
food.
food.
I think it's like freeze-dried food bars.
The rescue signal packet.
Wow, hey?
Oh, that's
There's
all food in there.
Drinking
There's
water.
water. Ooh, it smells. So it looks like it has a hole in it, which makes us feel a lot better about just getting a new one. Because we would have been sunk, Lyndon.
Yeah, this wouldn't have lasted the.
Yeah, and this is all, the rubber's all disintegrating, it's all crusty. Crazy. We'll have to break open a bar and test it and see what it tastes like. Look at this spread.
We had a really hot day today. So gorgeous. I feel like my face is sunburned.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
I'm happy about it. But we get to use the table, sit outside.
So nice out.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. I can't wait to go to an Anchorage in this weather. It's been so
know.
long since we've been able to go to an Anchorage and like sit out and just enjoy the evening.
Yeah. It's been funny the amount of comments I've gotten today. I'm wearing a dress. And people are like, wow, you're really dressed up.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, or like hoping summer's here. Or...
I know, it's weird. Like I've gotten an odd amount of comments on wearing a dress.
Everybody's just so used to seeing us in like sweatpants and
True. We usually look pretty schlummy.
what do we always wear? Gumboots.
Yeah. Nice beer out of a goblet. That's all we got.
I'm so happy. I'm so
Good.
happy. Today's like the first day I'm not stressed about getting things done.
So our favorite pizza, one is ranch, one is barbecue base, and then you you cook the chicken in garlic, and I put Montreal steak spice on it, and then at the end, I throw in the onions and pepper, and like red pepper and onions, and then some balsamic vinegar. Just at the end, don't cook it all the way off, and it's just killer. On garlic naan bread. It just can't be beat.
Do you want this pizza to get cold?
No.
Get out here and let's eat it.
Okay, yeah. It's smoking hot out, but it's not even.
It's not smoking hot, but it's.
It's hot out. Lyndon. I think it's gorgeous, and
It
it's
is
already.
gorgeous.
It's not even. It's like 10 o'clock.
It's probably like 15 degrees.
I feel like it's warmer than that.
In the sun, with the sun beating down on you, yeah, but
It's so nice.
it's very nice.
I'm for sure going to get a burn today.
That's
Yeah.
the goal.
That's the goal. Anyway, we got new batteries. Exciting, more necessary than exciting. So anyways, load them on, plug them in. Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. Those are heavy.
That was the easy part.
I know. Gotta get the old ones out too now.
Well, now I gotta go down the stairs.
I know. That'll be fine. We don't have the fear of the water now. Oh man, I am ridiculously out of breath from that.
Frick, I feel like those are heavier.
Is this going smoothly or are you frustrated?
No, it's going fine.
Good. I am a little concerned about how we're going to get those out. Maybe we'll just, leave them there.
Well, I want to check see if they're how quickly the voltage drops on them. 6.72.
Is this just curiosity?
Yeah, see how fast they drop, and then I don't know, in some ways it's like, well, I'm paranoid that the reason our batteries are dropping is just because we're so low.
What do you mean we're so low?
Or like our batteries are
Usually Lyndon, when he's doing something,
no.
he just forgets that he's talking.
If we just don't have enough actual battery storage.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Ah, it makes sense now. I'm paranoid that we're just terrible with the batteries. Scissors.
It's our life raft. rations.
These don't have an expiry date.
Yeah, they say,
Do
it
they?
says on the bottom, consume within.
They expired in December of 1996.
Did they really?
So this is a pack of, oh, I don't want to eat that.
What's it smell like?
Horrible.
Show it. Show it to me.
It's kind of like
It's
soft.
six persons rations. How many? Yeah, because there's 6.
It kind of has a smell of like freezer burned grandma cookies. Not good one. Kind of a coconut smell and like maybe a hint of dog food.
That's probably all it is.
Oh, it stinks. I don't want to try this.
Let me smell it. Oh, no, there's no way I'm eating that.
That's crazy. So that's a ration for... I don't know.
Don't get sick.
Tastes like rubber. Yeah, it tastes like I was sucking on the dinghy. Tastes like rubber. Well, we can throw these out.
Drink up.
Good morning, guys. We just got back from the dollar store, picked up a bunch of sponges. Also, in other news, this morning, Lyndon remembered that yesterday he shut the fridge off. So it's been a great day so far. It's okay. All is forgiven, but not forgotten. Just kidding. Oh, and I'm gonna show you guys something. I got up this morning and outside. Check this out. Oh, Lyndon. This is in the water.
Nasty.
It's so crazy. This orange slurry. It's apparently called red tide. And it's algae. And it looks crazy. And it's just like it's not, the water's not moving today. There's no wind, so it's just sitting here. Good thing it doesn't stink. So weird, hey? So that's exciting.
And the only place it's like stuck in the dock is like our slip and the next slip over.
Yeah, it's crazy. So I'm curious how long this is gonna stay. If you'd like to find out more or support us on this adventure, click on our Patreon link. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.